warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Quinta Monica Morencia from Economic Education, Padang State University. So today we'll try to explain about the monetary theory and monetary standard. So for the first material, I will try to explain about the scope of monetary economy. So the definition of scope of monetary economy is part of economic, especially the study of the nature, the function, influence of the money economic activities. In the scope of monetary economy, the main issue studied in the monetary economy is the first is the role and function of money in the economy. The second is the monetary system and its effect on the monetary supply and credit. Number 3 is the structure and function of the central bank. Number 4 is the influence of the money supply and credit of economic activities. And number 5 is payment and the international monetary. So, the existing abilities in studying monetary economics is in-depth understanding of money creation, mechanism, interest rate, money market, monetary system and policy, and economic payment. The second is ability to analyze several monetary phenomena in relation to the effect of monetary policy in economic activity. So, the next is money theory. Definition of money. In traditional economics, money can be defined as a general asset, medium of exchange. And in the modern economics, modern economics defined by some experts. By A.C.P. Gown money is anything that is used as a medium of exchange, and from G.H. Robertson, something that can be accepted in payment for goods. So, for the money theory, from R.G. Thomas, there is something that is available and generally accepted as a means of payment for the purchase of goods and services and other valuable assets, as well as for the payment of debt. Number 2, about from R.S. Sayers, it is the money is anything that is accepted as a debitor. And number 3 is from Albert Gaylor Hart. Money is will that where the owner can pay off his debt on certain amount at that time. And the last is from Rollin G. Thomas. Money is anything that is readily available and generally accepted in payment for the purchase of goods, services, and debt payment. So the conclusion is money is anything that used as a medium of exchange which is generally accepted as a means of payment for the purchase of goods and services and other valuable assets, as well as for the payment of debt. So, money theory, the money criteria is acceptability, stability of valuable, divisibility, durability, in uniformity. And money function is money as a medium of exchange, money as a unit of value or account. The next is money as standard or pending payment measure, and the last is money as a store of value and wealth. So, type of money. First is primary money. Primary money is like coins, banknotes, checks, printed by the central bank. And the second is full body money. It is nominal value visit in the same as the intrinsic value contained in the money. Number 3 is token money, currency whose nominal value is higher than the material. Money made by the paper with a certain image and stamp. Is it a legal tender? The next is giral money. It is money created by commercial banks. And the last is quasi money. It is form of wealth that is considered quite liquid in the near future. It can be cashed in the bank. And the next is monetary standard. Definition of monetary standard is a monetary system based on the standard value of money, includes regulation of the characteristic of money, regulation of the amount of money in circulation, export and import of precious metal, and bank facilities in relation to demand deposits. And types of monetary standard. First is commodity standard. It is a monetary system in which that the value money is guaranteed or based on a certain weight of goods. For example, is gold and silver. The standard for goods can be classified as follows. The first is monometralism standard. It is a single standard is a monetary system in which the value of money based on a type of coin. The second is bimetallism standard. The twin standard is a monetary system in which the value of money is based on two metals. And the number two types of monetary standard is fiat standard. The standard it is trust is a money system where the value of money is guaranteed by a certain weight of goods. That the only basic of public trust will they accept in the money as legal tender and as a means of exchange and so on. And definition of value for money. The value of money is the amount of goods and services that will be received in lieu of a unit money submitted. Example for the value money is 2000 if 25,000 rupiah can be replaced with 1 kilogram of sugar, then the value of the 25 rupiah is 1 kilogram of sugar. So the next is internal value for money. Internal money value is the purchasing power of money expressed in the number of goods and services produced by the country itself. The internal value is money influenced by the availability of goods and services used. For example, is when availability is reduced or limited, the price of good is increased, and an increase it is the price of good means the same as decrease in the value of money. The next is external value of money. External currency value is the price of a country currency expressed in the currency of another country for foreign currency for foreign exchange. This is external currency value is known by another term, namely the foreign exchange rate. The next is exchange in currency and exchange rate. The exchange in the amount of domestic currency that must be paid by obtaining 1 unit of foreign currency. Change in currency exchange rate can occur due to four things, namely there is the inflation rate, interest rate, amount of money supply in national income. And okay, maybe that's all my explanation about the money theory and money standard. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.